decorate your life. In today's video, I'm going to share a small shopping haul from Spellbinders in which I show you the Serenade of Autumn collection. I got the chipboard stickers, I got the die cut shapes, and the gems. And after I show you these items, I'm going to go ahead and share with you a couple of the projects that I made using the Spellbinders Serenade of Autumn collection, along with items from my stash. And if you're interested in anything that I got to show you here, you can go ahead and check out my affiliate links in the description area underneath my YouTube video. So these are the gems. It includes all the colors that I simply adore, jewel tone colors. I just love this time of the year. I love autumn, the fall, and everything that comes along with it. And so this right here are the chipboard stickers, like so. They are really, really pretty, and they're in this kind of sort of traditional colors, but they went ahead and added this blue to it, this really pretty blue. Let me see if I could show it to you like so. It's a beautiful blue. And here's the other one. Look how pretty that is. And what I love about these is that they are very easy to use in card making, and especially for someone who makes a ton of cards like I do. I make a ton of thank you cards, and so yeah, these come in handy, very, very handy. And here are the die cut pieces. And oh, by the way, this is the style number, and I will go ahead and link everything down below. And let me show you the style number of the other. These are the gems, and I think I already got rid of the packaging for the other one. Okay, so oh my goodness. And what I love about the Spellbinders ephemera packs is that there is always so much to it, and you always get two of the same design per packaging. So you can always count on getting two of them, and you get a ton of them. So let me go ahead and stop my yapping, and I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video so that you can see everything that you get in these kits.
Peace out. I'm on new days, on that mood swings. I'll be back, but you can reach out. On that FaceTime, if it's in line with my sound check, that's at you. But that's if I got time for you. It'd be nice if I could get you, but the shoe don't stop for you. Yeah. See how you wanna be with me now, when I was down, shawty, you did not care. Please now, you should've figured out what I'm about, but now I'm just. And now it feels like, like, oh, it's like, damn, you missing out. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Take your time until we meet again. Maybe you can ease your mind. We may be best as friends. Cause I'm not holding out when I got tons of fans. At a city not close to you, but you want me to get bad for you, sad for you, tap that ass for you, bad for you. Pulling up to the venue, boo, you breaking rules. Ooh, the more you try, the more you're gonna lose. See